All right, so we just finished a weekly site meeting with our clients on this project. So one thing I'm really passionate about, and it's something that has really improved my business over the years, is locking in weekly site meetings with our clients. So basically it's almost a condition of our contract. So before we go to contract, we give all of our clients a few days and times a week that we can meet up with them, and we work with them to come up with a time that suits both parties within our working hours. And we meet them on site at the same time, the same day, every week. It saves so much time, and there's so many benefits from it. So the number one thing for me is you're basically not chasing each other up every time you need to catch up on site and talk about something. Oh, can you meet then? I can only do this time. Like, you lose a day going backwards and forwards. Like, you just know that the same time, the same day, every week, you turn up the site, you're having a client meeting. And it really helps us when we do our schedules. It means that we can work in our electrical rough-in meetings, our plumbing rough-in meetings, any meetings that we need the client to get involved with. We schedule those meetings in our project schedule for those same times and dates each week that we're meeting our clients. So you're killing so many birds with one stone. But been a great site meeting this morning. We walked through, so the guys have marked all the walls out on the slab. They've started marking all their plates. So it was a really good opportunity for me to walk through the job with the client, show them the size of the rooms, where doorways are going, where windows are going, and all those types of things. And for me, it's when you do these types of things, you can pick up things before they become an issue or something that the client's unaware of. So one example this morning is, at the moment, there's a solid wall down the side of the stairwell. So the boys would have built that wall and there's no access in underneath the stairs. Most clients love that space under the stairs. They can put the Christmas tree or suitcases, things that they don't use very often, and it's out of the way. So we've had a discussion this morning. We're going to create a 900 wide opening in the end of that. It's actually accessed off another storeroom. So we've created this whole other storage space for them, which they're blown away by and they're really happy about, and they've got good access to it now. So taking these opportunities at these weekly site visits to have a general walk around, point out what you're doing, how you're doing it, why you're doing it, ask questions. It means that, like, something like we'll do that now because we're doing the framing. There's no change to our day. We're not doing things twice, so it's just something we'll do for them. Whereas if that had to come along down the track once we'd finished our framing and they asked if they wanted a doorway in there, it would have become a variation because we would have already finished the frame and we would have to redo it. So weekly site meetings are a must, and I would recommend them to any builder, not just for running your business better, but for building great relationships with your clients.